Motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision, and First Amendment motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney. Did you understand? Hello, Mr. Hogan. All right, why is your daughter not with us? I'm used to seeing her now. Is she back in school or studying?
You need to talk to her. She took the LSAT.
Yay!
I've given up to taking a different. I'll tell you something. I think she did great, but she really stars.
No, because do they still do that? I remember they said if you took the LSAT and then you did another one, then they would just average it. You can't just say, they don't do that anymore? Oh, you can take it as many times as you want to?
You can only take it 5 times.
Oh.
I'm not up on the rules, but I know the rules have changed.
I challenge all of us to take the LSAT again. It'll bring back memories. Bad memories, right? All right. So on this case, are we here on a motion to revoke? What are we here for?
We are, Your Honor. We're here on a motion to revoke, and I believe the state filed a motion to amend the motion to revoke, and it was filed on September 29th. Yesterday.
All right. Just 1 second. Okay. There's nothing attached to this.
He said that the DA's printer passing last week and it was emailed to them.
I'll accept. I'm fine with service by email. That's okay with me.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
I wrote it on there too, Judge. Email to the best guys.
All right. Thank you.
We're working on getting the ink restored.
All right. Thank you.
Hard time for the county judge.
All right. Thank you. And then on Hogan, I don't have the motion to revoke file. Hogan.
It should be printed up there.
Right. All right. And so it's set for today. And what is the issue?
Your Honor, the first amendment was filed yesterday. This is the first chance I've had to get to talk to my client. I was wondering if I could have some time to prepare him and talk to him about this case.
All right. Do you have the original motion to revoke? Because I only have the First Amendment. Where's the original?
Would a copy suffice?
Bashad is bringing it.
Oh.
Thank you. We made it. So the only thing that I see that's been added is a possession of a controlled substance.
Yes, Your Honor, that's one of the new number 1.
All right. Do y'all have labs for that?
We do not. It just occurred.
Then labs, are y'all expecting to have those labs in 10
No,
minutes?
I told counsel there's no way we'll get those back anytime soon.
So then the First Amendment really has no bearing because they're not going to be prepared to proceed on the violation of condition of number 1, possession of a controlled substance. So I don't know why it was added. They don't have any labs for that. They're not going to have labs for that. And it'll probably be 6 months or whatever before they get labs for that. So really the only thing that's going to be proceeded on is probably the original.
Revision.
Yes.
Can we on that right now? Yes.
Stay.
May I see the?
Yes. And just mention the one thing.
Sure, Your Honor. Yeah, we just so the court knows, on the original, the other new number 1, the evading, was dismissed by our office. So literally the only thing left is the number 2.
Okay. Can I have a file stamp, please? Yes. So is this a case that criminal trial division or is family violence going to handle? Because there's nothing that will be left in here that is criminal trial division. The evading has been dismissed.
Your Honor, my understanding before that was the discussion is that we were going to handle it, but I haven't conferred with family violence since.
All right. If you want to confer maybe with family violence, because it appears that the only thing on this motion is going to be failure to submit.
And we're going to plead to it.
Okay. So I don't know who's going to be making the recommendation on their side.
Your Honor, I'll proceed on.
All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 0077778 State versus Christian Grant Holguin. Could I have parties announce?
Melissa Alvin for the state.
And Eric DeWalt, I represent Mr. Holden.
And are you Mr. Holguin?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision and First Amendment Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I did.
Are you the same Christian Grant Holguin who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 0077778 for the offense of assault family household member impeding breath or circulation on October 31st, 2024 for a period of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
You can proceed on number 2, Your Honor. On or about the 15th day of August 2025 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Christian Grant Holguin did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the supervision officer in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
State.
We'll waive the rest, Your Honor.
Any objections to the waivers?
Mhm.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
May I speak on that?
No, my question is, do you understand
Yes,
that?
ma'am, I do.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2? Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
My understanding is there is not, Your Honor. The state is recommending that we follow the probation department's recommendation, which is to have the defendant submit to SATIF, withdraw the MTR and alter and amend his conditions for SATIF.
All right, so the MTR can no longer be withdrawn because he's
Oh,
already played.
That's right, Your Honor. I apologize.
No problem.
That's what we would recommend, is that he go to SATIF.
All right, so defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, exactly that. I just spoke to my client. He was under the understanding that he had a possession of drug paraphernalia when he did complete SATIF and does have a full-time job and understands he's going local to the court. He missed this one drug test because he couldn't get there on time. He has drug tested before and they've all come out negative. This is his first MTR. He seems to be doing very well on the deferred adjudication. He understands he's up in front of you with the full range of punishment and kind of going open to the court, but wanted to address the court and ask that if he could have a less structured modality that he could continue to work.
All right. Before you address me, any objection? I haven't opened it yet, but any objection to the court reviewing the court summary? All right.
Next. Or do you?
Yes, they emailed me.
Okay.
I receive it by email, but I don't open it until parties have no objection. All right, probation, what are you recommending?
The recommendation is for residential treatment at SATIF followed by the aftercare and continued on the ISD case.
Is it possible to do just do the aftercare portion, or has the time frame between being in SATA?
Well, he didn't do SATIF the first time, Judge. He did local ISF.
Ah, okay.
So as we know, local ISF is more geared to cognitive, and then the SATIF has that substance abuse. I was in the midst of looking up why he did not qualify for drug court. If you would
Yes,
like to know that.
yes. And then you want to raise your right hand for me?
Yeah.
Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
My name is Christian Grant Holden.
All right, so it appears there's something you wanted me to
Yeah.
hear. Did you want him to speak to me, counsel?
That's his intention. It's your intention to address the court.
Yeah, no.
Yes.
I just want to let you know, member, I understand this, what they're recommending. I just feel like, and you, it's been fair since I've been in your courtroom, ma'am. I already completed ISF. which is
So here's the thing. Let's get to the crux of the problem.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
problem is you didn't report for your UA. Why?
one time, ma'am. I was
No,
there.
no, no. Let's not do the one time.
Well,
Because one time is enough.
Wait.
We have to speak one at a time. And so let me explain something to you. So don't tell me it was only one time. And the reason why I tell you not to tell me that is because those are conditions of your probation. One time for anything is enough for you to be revoked and sent to prison. So don't say it was just one time because that's making excuses, right? Just tell me, why didn't you report?
Well, when I first got out, I'm gonna get to that. I was doing well. I was remodeling home for my brother, and I was always in contact with my probation officer. And I had just lost my efficiency, man, and so being in the streets, having my things stolen, lost the storage, and so and these are not excuses, man. These are the truth. I had trouble with cell phone, and I always made sure I emailed when I didn't call her, and so. Fast forward to the motion to revoke. I had just over there, I want to say 7 days prior to the motion to revoke because I hadn't been able to speak to her. And that's the reason why I missed it because I'm having to deal with wanting to get shelter. And I was living in Fishing, and I went to the hotel. I know it's just hard, man. And that's just all I can tell you.
Here's the thing. I'm going to give you a choice. These are your choices. There's no other choice, right? Here's your choice. I can revoke you and I will sentence you to 2 years in the prison. That's one choice. Or either your second choice, I will continue you on probation. And what I'm going to do is it's going to be an intensive supervision. And I'm going to start you off with GPS. And that will be partial GPS for employment only. Those are your two choices. There are no other choices. Do you need to discuss that with your attorney?
No, ma'am. Could you please waive the fees on the GPS?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I can do it. I can do it, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Abrams,
Thanks.
I'm going to deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to include partial GPS for employment only, waive fees, and intensive supervision with probation and intensive outpatient treatment with probation.
Yes, sir.
Is there anything else?
Nothing on the speaker.
Ms. Abrams, is there anything else?
No, sir.
Anything else you need from the court to be successful?
You helped me out with everything was worth.
You're welcome. Anything else?
Can I just clarify, he's on deferred adjudication, correct?
Yes. All right. Thank you.
Judge, thank you for all your consideration.
You're welcome.
Appreciate
You're
it.
welcome.